I'm about to help you look really smart next time you go out to buy rose bushes. You see, depending on what you want to do with your roses will help determine which category of rose you need to buy when you're out shopping. For example, if you want to make cut flower arrangements, you need long stem roses, so you want to look for ones that say hybrid tea. So this is going to be the variety name up here, and then the hybrid tea is what category it's in. These are going to look something like this: a singular rose on a long stem, great for arrangements. Now there's another category called floribunda, which is translated to an abundance of flowers. And you can see that here, they're just gonna have a stem with a whole ton of flowers on them. And each individual flower is gonna be a very short stem, so difficult to put in an arrangement. Now these roses are a grandiflora variety, which is a mixture between the hybrid teas and the floribunda. So sometimes you'll get a more hybrid tea like single long stalk, and other times you'll get an abundance of flowers on a single stalk. And for small spaces, you're gonna have a category which are miniatures or patio roses. Climbing roses are going to grow really tall and can be trained to grow on a trellis or an arbor. And tree roses are usually grafted onto a taller trunk to give you a different kind of look. So take this knowledge and use it with confidence next time you are out purchasing roses for your home landscape.